Hello everyone, welcome in my YouTube channel Generic Hashtag Study. Today we will discuss about biology. The most important topic is nutrition in animal. It is part 2. Here we will cover all the remaining part or function which is left in earlier video. So watch the video till the end. If you have any suggestion related to this video, please comment below and don't forget like, share and subscribe this video. So let's start and nutrition in animal. So first is mouth and buccal cavity. We take food through our mouth. Ingestion. It is the process of taking food into the body. Salivary gland. Our mouth has 3 pairs of salivary gland. They secrete saliva. Next is saliva, lar. We can say saliva act upon starch and break down into sugar. Next is teeth and its type. Teeth help in chewing. Chewing means chavana, our food. Each tooth is placed in separate socket in the gums. Next is there are 2 sets of teeth which perform different function. See the function. Milk teeth, which is grow during infancy and they fall between age of 6 to 8 year. Permanent teeth, which replace milk teeth, दूध के दांत और permanent teeth, and they remain throughout our life. They fall during old age. So let's see here what is the type of teeth. Here incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Now see the function. Incisor function is cutting and biting. Number of teeth is 4 and canine function is paring and tearing. Number of teeth is 2 each jaw, and premolar chewing and grinding. Number of teeth is 4. Molar and grinding and chewing. Number of teeth is 6. So let's see here what is the formula. Upper jaw and lower jaw is equal to 4. 4 is incisor, eye, incisor, canine and premolar and molar. So here if we will count, one jaw is 16 teeth and second jaw is 16 teeth. So upper and lower both are having 32 teeth. Now see the next. Next is tongue. Tongue is fleshy muscular organ which is free at its front and is attached at the back of the floor of buccal cavity. It can move in all direction. Function. It mixes saliva with the food while chewing. It play an important role while taking. It help in swallowing our food, मतलब निगलने में help करती है. Different taste buds present in our tongue. So see here what is the taste bud, what type of taste bud. So first is in the back side of buccal cavity, bitter taste. We feel bitter taste, and here sour taste. Here is salty taste. Now in the tip of tongue, 4 different solutions were made in tongue. First is sugar solution, salt solution, solution of neem leaf juice and lemon juice. Next see oesophagus. It is also called food pipe. It runs along the neck and chest. Food pipe run along neck and chest. Next is the food from mouth after swallowing, निकलने के बाद, into the oesophagus and pushes down to the stomach by a special movement is called peristalsis. जब हम लोग फूड को माउथ में लेते हैं और निगलते हैं, इससे ओएसोफेगस में ये हमारे ओएसोफेगस में जाता है और ओएसोफेगस से हम इसे पुश किया जाता है स्टमक में peristalsis movement के द्वारा. Next is stomach. Stomach is a flattened U-shaped thick wall bag, widest part of this alimentary canal. Next is it receives food from oesophagus at one end and pushes the food down into small intestine at the other end. Next is see the function of stomach. The inner lining of stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid, digestive juices, and mucus protect the lining of stomach SCL, it is very important. SCL makes the medium acidic so that digestive enzyme can perform their function. Mainly protein digestion occur in stomach. It is very important. So many time question arise in exam, in competitive exam. So watch carefully. SCL also kills the bacteria and may have enter along with the food we eat. Next is the digestive juices break down protein into smaller substance. It is very important. Next is small intestine. The small intestine is longest part of alimentary canal, which is highly coiled and about 7.5 meter long. It secretes intestinal juice secreted. It also receive bile juice from liver. Bile juice receive करती है liver से and pancreatic juice from pancreas. Intestinal juice secreted by small intestine complete the digestion of carbohydrate, protein and fat present in food, mainly in lower part of small intestine. So many time question arise in competitive exam. So please watch this point carefully. Now thank you for watching this video.